Welcome to Nelson's Library. In today's topic, we are going to see Jal Jeevan Mission. This is the content layout what we are going to discuss today. Under this, we are going to see what is Jal Jeevan Mission, why Jal Jeevan Mission, which ministry is going to implement Jal Jeevan Mission, functional mechanism of that, mission funding system and budget for the mission. Jal Jeevan Mission is our union government plan. The focus of our Indian government is to provide functional household tap connections to all rural household units by 2024 through a mission called Jal Jeevan Mission. Why this Jal Jeevan Mission is very important? See, nearly 81.67% of our rural households are without tap connections. Providing hygienic water is the primary importance of any government, and that is the reason why our government has taken utmost responsibility to provide this water supply. Our Indian government has planned to improve the household tap connection from 18% at present to 100% by 2024. Ministry of Jal Shakti was formed in May 2019 by merging Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation and Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. This Ministry of Jal Shakti is going to take the responsibility to launch Jal Jeevan Mission. The mechanism of Jal Jeevan Mission is implementing through national, state, district and Gram Panchayat. Of this, women will be playing a vital role by determining what technology or scheme they want, and there will be a group called Pani Samitis, which will be a statutory subcommittee of Gram Panchayats. As far as mission funding is concerned, 100% will be offered by union government to the union territories, 90% by union government and 10% by the state governments in Himalayan and northeastern region, 50% by union government and 50% by state government in the rest of our Indian states. 3.6 lakhs crore Indian rupees is to be spent on this mission, and similarly as like that effective use of technology like space technology for mapping, 3D contour mapping to decide the slope, and effective use of grey water management which is flowing out is to be concentrated. Similarly as like that rainwater harvesting and recharge of groundwater are also to be concentrated under this mission. Recently, this was on news that Ministry of Jal Shakti has written letter to the various states stating that they may deploy the returning migrant workers, especially those who are working in the construction sector, for this Jal Jeevan Mission. This is an excellent idea of our government to reduce unemployment in this pandemic COVID situation. It has been reported in media that a unique guideline has been provided by our central government after several rounds of meetings and consultation with state governments, various NGOs, private sectors and technical committees. So I think this implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission is not only for this 20th century, but with a greater vision and mission for 21st century. We will discuss various other schemes of our government in our next lectures. Thank you.